Do a flip. Do a flip. Guys, we have made it to the Nantahala Outdoor Center, otherwise known as the NOC, and this place is spectacular. They just had the Great Smoky Mountains Railroad that just came through and parked, so it's going to be a little busy, but that's okay because it is beautiful. Look at this. This train actually departs from Bryson City, North Carolina. It comes up here to the NOC. It stops and parks for about an hour, hour and a half. Lets the passengers jump off and enjoy what's going on here at the NOC, and then get back on, and then you ride it back to back to Bryson City. So beautiful little train ride. We came up here today because there's some sort of art festival going on. Not exactly sure what it is, but there's a ton of people, so everybody can't be wrong, right? While here at the NOC, you can do all kinds of stuff. They offer whitewater rafting, whitewater tubing. They got paddle boards and whitewater kayaks, and they got food, drinks, they got live music, you name it, it's here. And the people are great. So if you're ever in the area, in the Nantahala Gorge area, it's definitely worth a check out. Stop in, get some drinks, well worth it. So Nantahala Outdoor Center is known for training whitewater kayakers, and these poles are a part of that training. So if you're ever here, this is a very big hotspot for whitewater kayaking, and you'll probably see a bunch of kayakers out here training or learning. It's a very cool experience. So this is the ending point and starting point for a lot of whitewater kayakers and whitewater rafters. And if you're lucky, you'll see a group either take off or come in. Switchback Taps is somewhere that you can come and get a nice beer, get a drink, chill out. They got some soft pretzels and stuff, look great. There are so many places to eat here, get drinks. I mean, there's probably 5 or 6 restaurants, a couple bars. There's a couple of different outdoor centers where you can go and get everything that you could possibly need for kayaking, rafting, paddleboarding, anything that you can think of, they got it here. So today for lunch we decided on the Big Wesser, and this place is great. It's got just your average American fare, burgers, hot dogs, chicken sandwiches, but the vibe here is on top.
Jones, you kids ready at the window?
Lunch was amazing. We just had a burger and some chips, so nothing crazy. Wasn't really worth filming, but it was very good. So if you're in the area, check it out. As if there wasn't enough to do already here at the NOC, down toward the end, they have a little area that's got some cornhole, some horseshoes, some fire pits. They got all kinds of stuff over here. And there's also a viewing area for the kayakers. This place is absolutely spectacular, so we are going to head over to the gift shop and see what they have. This place has everything that you could want. Anything for outdoors. Swimsuits, shorts, shirts, backpacks, I mean hats, even your non-traditional hiking gear. You've got your entire dog section just for outdoor dogs. Very cool. If you guys are in the market for a kayak, I feel like I have a spot that you should come check out, because they're everywhere. Not to mention, let's just take a moment and appreciate the view that this gift shop comes with, because my goodness gracious, Does it get much better? We also found out that there's a waterfall right here. So we're taking just a real quick little hike right down. It's called Big Wesser Falls. So come with us and let's check it out. We've only been walking for just a second, and my goodness gracious, you can hear the waterfall. It is astounding how loud water can be. All in all, this place is an absolutely spectacular gem here in the midst of the mountains in North Carolina. Love this place. Everything about it is just awesome. Nice chill vibes, hang out, get a drink, have some food, watch the kayakers and the rafters, come down the river. It's a really cool experience. If you're in the area, if you want to get away from the noise that is everyday life, I highly suggest coming out here to Nantahala. Check out the NOC. But with all that being said, don't forget to keep the wanderlust alive, and we'll see you out there.